So today we're starting a new job, new project. I have 13 trucks here for the next month doing milling and paving. So 13 trucks here for the next month doing milling and paving. I got my partner, my guys here, TCG. What's going on, Pa? Good? Good. Everything good, bro? 13 trucks here for the next month doing milling and paving every single day. These guys will be working overnight. So yeah, everybody's getting set up, everybody's getting ready to go. Everybody's getting ready to go. I got 13 trucks here, East Orange, New Jersey, for the next month. For the next month, 13 trucks doing milling and paving. New project. 13 trucks here for the next month doing milling and paving. This is our first day on the job. So I just decided to come out. ¿Cómo estamos, jefe? ¿Todo bien? 13 trucks here for the next. ¿Cómo estamos? Franco lo mandó. Cruz, yo soy el dueño. ¿Cómo estamos? Jairo, a la orden. Siempre a su orden, jefe. ¿Cuántos camiones usted tiene aquí? 3. Oh, usted es el dueño. 13 trucks here. ¿Cómo estamos, jefe? Yo soy Jairo Cruz. Yo se lo mandé aquí al trabajo. Estamos a la orden. Cualquier cosa usted me llama yo. Muchas gracias. 13 trucks here doing milling and paving. How's it going, boy? 13 trucks here. We're gonna be here for the next month. So there's gonna be 27 trucks here. And I have most of the trucks here for the night. So I'm bringing in 13. Yes, that's right, man. I'm sending people. Yeah, bro, just 13 trucks here. It's 27 total. I send over 13. So for the next month, I'll be doing this job every single day, every single night. Just grinding, just doing what I'm supposed to do. So just working around the clock. First day on this job. This project is gonna last about a month or more. I have 13 trucks here. Just came to the job, making sure everybody's here, making sure everybody's on point, making sure everybody's doing what they're supposed to do. I figure your trucks are on a different job. Correct. I don't have not any of my personal trucks on this job. All these trucks, I sub them out. I don't have one of my trucks, not even one of my trucks on this job. But I am in charge of this job, so I still have to come and check it out, make sure everybody's here, make sure everybody's on point. So, yeah. Jefe, cuando usted llene los papeles. Ok, pero cuando lo llene, ¿cómo estás? Yo soy Cruz, okay. Jairo, a la orden. Cuando me mandó
Franco.
Sí.
Yeah.
Cuando usted lo llene,
sí.
usted pone su nombre y pone cruz. Y ahí está ready.
Perfecto.
Y estamos a la orden, cualquier cosa, ¿oyeron?
Quiero ir.
A la orden, jefe. Vino nada más a ver cómo está todo. So I have 13 trucks here. We'll be here for the entire month. Every single day, every single night. Due to weather permitting, we're gonna be doing milling, asphalt. So yeah, there's gonna be 27 trucks here total. I get the majority of the trucks, so I have 13. Tomorrow I'm gonna up a truck, so we're gonna have 14 here tomorrow. And we're gonna be doing this for the next month, every single night. So 13 of these trucks, I send them to this job, and I'm just here for the first day, making sure everybody's here, everybody's on point, everybody's doing what they're supposed to do, and everybody's on time. So guys are still arriving. Guys are still arriving. I'm just here making sure everybody's on point. So, like I said, this is all part of the grind, right? If I start a new job or I start a new project, I like to come out here and make sure everybody's here, everybody's on point, and making sure that every person that I sent here is here on time. So I'm here today. This is the start of our new project. It's going to be a month-long project. We're here for about a month. I'm going to have in the range here from 13 to 14 trucks every single night. And everybody's happy. Everybody's making money. Everybody's secured. Yeah, so just checking in that everybody's here. All my guys are here. Making sure everybody's here. Because if at the end of the day, I'm responsible for anything that goes wrong. So I got to make sure that my guys are here doing the right thing. I don't have not one of my trucks doing this job. These are people that I sub out. And, these guys are going to be working overnight. So I'm here making sure everybody's on point. Everybody's doing their job. Yes, East Orange. East Orange, yes, sir. So here there's going to be 27 trucks working. I'm responsible for only 13 of these trucks. So just making sure my 13 guys are here. Making sure my 13 guys showed up on time. Just because 27 trucks, I'm responsible for 13 of them. And just making sure everyone's here, making sure everyone's on point. If you see, this goes a long way. 27 trucks here total. 27 trucks here total. And I'm responsible for 13 of these trucks. So I'm just here making sure everybody's here, making sure everybody is on point, making sure everybody's doing their thing. It's the first day doing this job. We'll be here for a month. Today I have 13. Tomorrow I'll have 14 trucks. This is my guy F&F Movement. It's my guy F&F Movement. Yeah. So, like I said, for the next month, we'll be here every single night doing what we're supposed to do. I'm here for the first day, making sure everyone's here, making sure everyone's on point. There's gonna be 27 trucks here total. I'm responsible for 13 trucks. So everyone's doing their thing. How's it going, fellas? ¿Cómo estamos? A la orden, Jairo. So everybody's doing their thing. Everybody's here working. Everyone's here grinding. This is what a parade of dump trucks look like. Parade of dump trucks look like. This is what we look like. Two blocks full of dump trucks. This project is gonna last a little bit over a month. We'll be doing milling and paving here. There's 27 trucks total. I'm responsible for 13 of them. And my grind doesn't stop. I've been up since about 4 a.m. today. And I got guys gonna work here overnight. So I'm just here making sure everybody's on point, everybody's doing their thing. So what I recommend, if you get big projects and you're responsible for a job, always stop by in your first day that you're on the job. You know, we started this job today. It's gonna be here. We're gonna do this for like a month. And I'm here to make sure everybody's here on point. Everybody's doing what they're supposed to be doing. And everybody's grinding. At the end of the day, I'm responsible for the 13 trucks that are here. So I gotta make sure that these 13 trucks that I send here are responsible guys, and make sure that everyone's here ready to go and ready to work. So it's exciting to have this job and to start this job. I'll be doing this job for an entire month, every single night, weather permitting, because milling and paving, you can't do it during the rain. So weather permitting, we'll be here every single night for the next month. And yeah, I don't have not one of my trucks doing this job. My trucks are, they got to get ready for tomorrow. These guys do overnights, so these are 13 of my subs that work for us. And yeah. So like I said, 27 trucks here working. 27 trucks here working. And we're responsible for 13 trucks. So it's exciting to do this job. And to basically have majority of the trucks here. Today we're doing 13. Tomorrow I'll be having 14 trucks here. So the grind never stops. That's right, grind never stops. I've been up since 4 a.m. I had trucks working all day, I'm sorry. And now I'm gonna have trucks working all night. So this is dope. People are probably looking at me, why is this guy recording? Because I can. That's why. Because I can, so. Just truly blessed to even be able to give these guys, these 13 guys, right? Because there's 27 trucks here. but not all 27 are mine or sent here for me. I'm only sending here 13, but I'm just blessed that I can actually provide work for another 13 trucks for this entire month overnight. And it's truly a blessing that I can do that. And it's truly a blessing from these companies that give me these big responsibilities because they understand that J&G Crews gets the job done. So that's what it's all about. And I'm blessed, you know, I'm blessed. I put myself in this position. My team put me in this position for me to be able to take upon big projects like this. But without execution, there's really nothing that I can do. So I'm here, first day on the job, I'm here making sure all my guys are here, making sure everybody that I sent here is here. And this is what a parade of dump trucks look like. You know? This is what it looks like. And I'm truly blessed. Like I said earlier, truly blessed. I know there's a lot, I keep repeating myself because there's people coming in and out. Truly blessed that I can say that I put 13 guys here for the entire month to work and give them an opportunity to make more money. So I'm blessed for that, and I'm blessed to have a good team of guys that are here doing their thing. So we're doing both milling and paving. So just truly blessed. Like I said, not all 27 trucks are here, but I have 50% of the trucks, and tomorrow I'm actually going to have more than 13. I'm going to have 14. And I honestly could have done more than 14 or 13. Just didn't want to go too crazy. You know, it's a lot of responsibility. So I took upon 50% out of the job. So that's exactly what I did. Took upon 50% of this job. And I'm just blessed that this company trusts me to give me the opportunity to provide 50% of their trucking for the next month. Tomorrow we're actually doing more than 50% of this trucking for this job. But without them trusting in me and me showing them that I'm a responsible human being, this would not be possible. So guys, this is the live for the night. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. I appreciate everybody that's continuing to support. I'm gonna continue to give you guys content. And tonight, like I said, 13 trucks here. This is the first day on this job. First day on the job. So I'm here making sure everybody's on point, making sure everybody's doing what they got to do. And I'm blessed that I can give 13 guys an opportunity to work every single night for the next month. And I'm just truly blessed, and thank you guys. What's going on, Tim? It's Hyro, yeah. How's it going? So truly blessed. This is my guy, Tim. He's actually the person that about 3 years ago, I went to just going to his job site. He gave me the opportunity, and we're actually doing this for a bridge company. So they're building a bridge here, but I'm doing another bridge for them for about 3 years. So this guy knows how responsible I am, and he gives me 50% out of the trucking because my grind is different. So guys, nothing is impossible. I started doing this with one truck. Now I'm doing 50% of this entire trucking business for this bridge company. Hard work, dedication. Salute to everybody. Appreciate it. Good night. Sleep well. We're working.